Let me go and bring your brother that is sick. Lele, are you watching TV? See? See? TV. TV. What? Okay, oh, sorry. Guys, I'm going to pick Martins up from school. Anyway, welcome to another vlog, beautiful people. No, mi hanno chiamato proprio. Sì, mi hanno chiamato, ma non ce l'avevo il mio telefono vicino. Guys, so that's the situation now, right now, guys. And I just came to pick him. We are going home. So for now, it's just stomach pain, a little pain on his stomach. So I'm just going to keep an eye on him. And okay, I can talk now. We just entered inside the car. So, like I said, I just came to take him, and the teachers, they just explained what happened. Okay, inside the class, he was just feeling pain. He has gone to the toilet up to 3 times. So they had to, call so that we can come and pick him up. But the good news there is that he doesn't have he's not running temperature. That's the good news, because if he was running temperature, there is so much protocols, a lot of things, exams and everything before he can come back to school. But for now, he's not running temperature. They examined him there. There was no sign of high temperature or what. So he's okay. I'm just taking him home right now, and I'm just going to keep an eye on him. And by God's grace, he's going to be okay. And I hope that by Monday, he will be back to school. So that's just the thing now. Okay, guys. Amore. Come ti senti?
Not good.
Not good?
Yeah.
You don't feel okay?
No.
Are you still having the pain? Is the pain so bad?
Yeah.
It's so bad?
Yeah.
But do you feel like vomiting?
No.
When did it start? Because when I took you to school this morning, before we left the house, it has not started, right?
No.
It started in the class?
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's go home, okay?
Yeah.
What did you say? Remove your mascarina and talk. Let's hear you. What did you say? Forse perché?
Perché mi hai dato 2 torte mattina.
Vedi? Vedi perché ti ho sempre detto? A volte tu lo sai, ma sei stato tu a chiedere per la seconda o no? Sì o no?
Che?
Ecco, quindi, ma vediamo? Non lo so. Guys, he's because this morning they ate cake, and when he finished the first one I gave him, he and the brother, they requested for another one. Okay, so I gave them again. He's saying that maybe it's because he ate a lot of cake this morning and drank milk before going to school. For me, basically, see, I'm not really the early morning breakfast type, so I prefer to give them a very light breakfast in the morning. But since they requested for another one, I gave them an extra, and he said maybe that's the cause. I don't know. But everything is still going to be okay, okay? So I don't know. Everything is going to be okay. Wash your hands properly. Then you come. Let me give you intro German here. Okay?
Yeah.
Martin, tira sulle maniche, take your head. That's good. So guys, since we really don't know exactly what the problem is, I can easily give him one of these just to calm the stomach, and then I'm going to watch him and see how it is going. So this is just a water kind of stomach calmer. It's just going to help to calm him down.
Come on, Effie.
Thank you. Have you finished it? Why are you doing your face like that? It doesn't have any taste. It has no taste. It's just like water, right?
Yeah.
Essie, please give me.
Okay.
This is not for play, okay?
Yeah.
No, I can't give you. Okay, you want to drink water? Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys. This should be like 2 days after the clip you guys watched last. Yes, this is 2 days after it, and it's morning over here. Good morning. So I'm just going to, go on with my activities in the house, my routines, my things in the house. And I'm going to be making stew today. I'm going to be making beef stew. I don't have stew anymore in my fridge. I don't have soup and stew. It's like I don't have anything practically. I don't know about you guys. I must always have stew, soup, sauce in my freezer because it really helps me to go a long way. So I'm going to be making some stew today, and that's it. hear you crying. Who beat you? Esty, come here. Why did you beat your brother? Oh yeah, come and say sorry. Come. Bambino. Ecco.
Martin,
Martin, what did you do? Martin. Martin, ti ha fatto male? In bocca? In bocca, fa schifo. Martin, hai sentito?
Ma io non l'ho fatto!
Martin, say your brother sorry.
Cody!